In this video, we are going to see how we can make the Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. So let's say whenever you want to perform any kind of search, whether on the new tab you want to find something, or whether on the new tab as soon as you open Microsoft Edge browser, it should open Google. So I'm going to show you how we can do both. For the new searches, it should always search it on Google rather than Yahoo search or something else. And also when you open the browser, it should open directly in google.com. So here's how you can do it. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner and click on the three dots and head over to the bottom in the settings. Click on that. And on the left hand side, we see this option, start home and new tab page. From here, in the home button, from here, we can on startup, make it open custom sites. And here we will add the site www.google.com, click add. And then we can also set the custom site for the home page as well. Also under the privacy search and services, you want to head over down to this option which says search and connected experiences. Click on that, and at the bottom again, we'll click on address bar and search. And for all the new searches, like we have seen that all the new searches on the new tab, whatever we search for, it searches it for in the Yahoo search results. So that should be Google. We'll set it from there as well. And then you can close out of browser, or you can open a new tab to see if that is applied or not. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.